Welcome back to another Shane McRetro video. What are we looking at? This is the Mega-i-Modem by NetComm, model CD2004. And we're just having a quick look at the internals today. If you've looked at the previous video on this, you would have seen that we did a lot of unboxing and it was extremely boring. The internals of this modem are sort of equally as boring. There's a lot of blank PCB in there. This isn't terribly surprising, given that this modem is from 2008. The design for this board, we'll have a look at some of the chips around first. So that's a microchip of some sort. That's a capacitor. Is it an inductor? It's an inductor. That looks like it's the firmware, 9C64. Not terribly exciting. I might peel that sticker up a bit later. There's some sort of IC Plus chip. So 2008, this is well after Rockwell was absorbed by Connexent, and I don't know who IC Plus is at all. The date code on that chip, 0734C, would indicate that it's 2007, week 34, so mid to late 2007 for that particular chip. If we look up here though, this is probably the design date, 0827, which would put it pretty much smack bang just after mid 2008. Which was kind of surprising for a V.90 modem. I wasn't really expecting it to be. Gosh, there's more inductors over there too. Don't quite know what I'm trying to focus on there. I should have just done the audio while I was recording the video. Here's the power brick. Bottom right hand, you can see 0807C. The C might stand for China, manufactured in China perhaps. 08, 2008, 07, week 7. The capacitors themselves actually looked to be good old JackCon brand. And Stone. We've come across Stone before. I think that was in the V92 AM 5698 from memory. Takes me back. So a fair few 470 UFs. Not terribly exciting. It is a modem. They generally aren't that exciting when they start to put everything into one chip, which is probably that IC Plus chip. It is interesting though to see that they continued to use the same type of firmware chip that we see in the earlier NetComm Roadsters and Banksia Waves actually. So let's flip the board over and have a look at how boring it is on this side. And yep, definitely quite boring. So not too much to really look at. But there you go, that's the NetComm Mega-i modem. Let's take a very short break. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel back that sticker on that firmware chip. Oh, there it is. I've done it. I'm magical. So it's a 29F002. Yeah, 002A. Pretty much the same as the older modems. Probably a, what was it? 002, probably a 2 megabit chip, giving us a roomy 256 odd kilobytes of storage. There's the power adapter again. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with that. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. This has been another voiceover. Boy, oh boy. Till next time, McRetro out.